Yay! Let's have a look, guys. Yay! Let's have a look, guys. Ribbon. Ribbon. You ready? Nice tissue paper. Yay! So I got a dressing gown. My mum got this for me as a present. Look at this. That's the sash. It's beautiful. Look how fancy this box is. My goodness. My goodness, it's huge. Look how huge that is. Right, don't know how much I'm going to be able to show you, but it's green. Try and stand it back here. So it has the really nice detail, soft on the arm. Yeah, it's really nice. And this is toweling. The back has the Versace head, but it's not too over the top. I really like green. I like the colour. So the sash, sorry about the view and the lights and my screen, just ignore all of that. But it's the only way I can get to show you. Let's see if it fits. It does. So, I'll probably have to look at the beautiful sash. Okay, let's do this. I don't know how well this is coming on camera. Let me show you the back. That's pretty cool. Let's try this angle. Is that any better? I'm probably still too close. Anyway, it's the best I could do. I'll try and move back a bit. And I will try to do the sash up where you can see it. Can you see that? Move my hair. Now, the reason I bought this is because I have like a swim spa, like a pool. I'm very angled, aren't I? I got this to, sorry, when I'm in a swim spa, which is a heated swim pool, what it sounds, swim spa, I can jump out and put luxury Versace dressing gown. I really like the Versace ones the best. But there's the ones that had the Versace all over them. I'll try and put a picture in. Or there was this one, which I'll also put a picture so you can see it. But it's soft. It's really soft and lovely, and I can't wait to use it. I'll just show you the tags anyway, in case you're interested. This one, I believe you could only get online. Just the tag. I don't know what's in there. Probably just the care or something, instructions, yep. But what I would do want to show is just, I'll get the, put it over my shoulder, is this. So I believe it's silk. So you've got the silk like this, and then on the other side it's sort of like a really beautiful quality soft towel. And the arms are the same like this as the belt. But the reason that I wanted it toweling is because I'm actually going to be wet when I put it on. So I actually want it to be like a towel, not just a soft dressing gown, because I've got one of those. Yeah, I think it was on sale. I think they were normally about 1,000 or 1,200. And I think this was on sale online last week in Australia for about 500, but you could only get the green online. And I thought it was really worth it because the other one I liked, I think it was about 750 and it was Australian dollars. It was the one that said Versace all over it. I just thought it was too loud, even though I don't like quite luxury. I like all that stuff, but I just thought for, you know, getting out of the pool, I thought this was beautiful. And I guess out of the shower, you know, putting it on. So I don't know if you can see this head, but I would definitely, it's there, but it's subtle. I don't think this is quiet luxury, but it's certainly quieter than my normal luxury. Anyway, guys, that's a quick update and my quick Versace open. How big was the box? I'm going to use that box because it looks really cool. Sorry, I'm in my work clothes. All right, I am going to say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Quick Versace unboxing. See you soon.